All right, it's Thursday. The engine bay is complete. It's afternoon. Hager has wired up most of the stuff. Got the steering wheel, anti-lag. What else? Anti-lag. No lift shift.
Yeah.
All that stuff. Line lock. Whoa, this thing's still empty. Your nuts rolling around there. Doing the circuit breaker now. Still have to bleed the brakes and do the wheel studs. And then it's got to go back to John for a quick touch up on the welds. But all these Jones is good. Well, the Supras, they don't run yet, but they're not going to the race this weekend. Jaden good, Jorge good, Duffy's good. He'll meet us here Saturday. We open. We're a miracle here. That was good. But we should be alright. We'll at least we'll be alright. So yeah, these are little buttons. Which button does what now? Right and left? Which one does what?
Huh?
Which button on the steering wheel does what?
I think left is rolling anti-lag, right is the line lock.
You think.
Look good.
Yeah. Anyway, Friday, right?
Friday.
One more day.
Good Friday.
To the race.
Good Friday. It is Good Friday
Hey.
now. It's Easter.
That's right, it is actually Good Friday. All right, Cresta about to get pump gas tune, right?
Yeah, we'll do the pump tune first.
Pump ass tune. And
I didn't say
you gonna do the
yes.
brackets?
Yeah.
Can you tell us about the new design reverse flow RV head that's experimental in this car?
Yeah. Well, these, I mean, if you want them to do top end, you need cams and an intake, and that's we got top end. Like I said, the power band is flat, starting to flatten out around 8K.
It might be able to go 85.9.
I don't know about 9. Maybe push towards 85, but I'm starting to see oil pressure start to keel over.
Drop or just flatten out?
Drop.
Ooh.
So we're probably, pushing that stock oil pump pretty good.
Yeah.
It's not dropping like
Danger.
danger low, but I'm noticing that it's kind of it's starting to keel over.
Well, they say the stock pumps start running out about then.
Yeah, because it builds all of like 90 pounds of oil pressure, and then it starts to keel over around 7,500 and drops to like 85, 80.
Still good.
So it's still good.
Yeah.
But yeah, at 8,000 RPM, I think we're seeing like 80 pounds of oil pressure, which if you go by a rule of thumb, 10 pounds per 1,000 RPM.
Yep.
So it can start to become a gamble towards that end. That's why I put the thicker oil in there. And,
That means around 10,000. You still got 60
Oh,
pounds, which
good.
is good. I mean, LS survives on that.
Yeah. But outside of that, I mean, it seems to be a fucking top end monster.
170 mile an hour, here Andy comes.
Yeah, it's cool because I can play with I've been playing with the fuel pump speed, and I'm data logging the fuel differential pressure, and because we're running 3-bar base fuel pressure, so I can see the actual fuel pressure and then the differential.
So is it picking up 1 pound of boost, or you have it set for more?
No, it's raising in accordance with boost pressure, but I can manipulate the speed of the fuel pump to help maintain our differential fuel pressure at 3 bar. So if I see that it's starting to drop a couple pounds, I'll just up the speed to help better maintain that. So right now, anything right now above 40% injector duty cycle is wide open at the fuel pump.
Okay.
Which should do pretty well.
What are the injectors reading up there? Are the injectors more happy with their duty cycle now? Being bumped up to the 50 psi base?
No, we're still running 43 and a
Okay.
half. We're still running 3-bar base. There shouldn't be any need to cram that much base fuel pressure in there because we're not going to run out of injector. We got 1,000 horsepower worth of injector on the car.
Well, let's make 1,000 then.
Yeah. So, all right, let's get the fuels swapped over. Let's see, it's going to be kind of interesting. How do I want to do this? I'll probably do it from the trunk.
Jesus, Ecker.
So fucking nasty.